Hello everyone. So obviously I have already completed some basic things related to class and constructor in my previous video. So in this video we will take one simple example in which we will have one constructor and also we will have one normal function, simple function using class obviously, and we will create two objects, and then obviously we will call the our normal function, because as you know that whenever you are creating object, constructor is called automatically. Suppose I have a class and name of that class is student. Okay, then I am defining constructor. So to define constructor, it will be underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and compulsory one parameter which is self. But other than that, suppose I am interested in roll number and name, so I will pass two parameters and then again colon. Okay, so when I will call constructor, I am going to pass two parameters. One is roll number and one is name. So we have to also write self dot. So this is how we can store the answer. So self dot r will be equal to our parameter variable name, which is roll, and self dot n equal to name. And we are done with the assign. So now we will create one more function, which is display function, and obviously no parameter, so we are writing only self, and here we are interested in printing that r sorry self dot r, because from here we are assigning roll number into self dot r. So it will print self dot r and print self dot name. Only two things. So we are done with this function also, and we are done with actually class also. So now we will create two object. One is s1 and second is s2. So s1 equal to student. As I said, while creating object, it is automatically calling constructor. It means here in this example, while defining the constructor, we have two parameters. So at the time of creating object also, you have to pass two parameters, one comma and name, for example Vishal. Okay, and then s2 equal to one more object, that is student, 2 comma and double quotation Arjun or some name, like this. So obviously we are done with the constructor call. So now values are assigned in this self dot r and self dot n. Now obviously we have to call our normal function using the object name, that is s1 dot display function and s2 dot display function. Okay, so control s, that is the first thing, and then f5. Okay, student object has no attribute name. Okay. Instead of self dot n, I have written self dot name actually. Okay, so it is somewhere over here. See, we have used self dot n, not self dot name. That's why it is showing error. Okay, control s, f5. See, this is the output for the first one. This is the output for the second one. So what is the difference between method and constructor? Because this is your method, this part, and this is your constructor. Now what is the difference between these two? Methods are used to do some operation or action, and constructor are used to initialize the instance variables. That is the first difference. Method name can be any name, you can see, but constructor name should be this one, underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Methods we should call explicitly like this while calling, but constructor automatically executed when you are creating object. So these are some of the difference between method and what you can say constructor. So in my next video we will talk about different types of class variables, instance variable, static variable and local variables. That will be in my next video. Thank you everyone.